Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna showing you how to fix Snapchat due to repeated failed attempts or other unusual activity. Your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled. So guys, when you have logged in your Snapchat account on your Android phone or on your iPhone and facing this type of issue again and again, I'll help you how to fix this problem and how to get back your account. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you have to go back on your home screen. And guys, now you have to open your settings first. From here, you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And after this, you have to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any kind of VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you have to scroll it down. From here, you have to click on app management, and now you have to click on app list. And after this, here you need to search Snapchat. So guys, after this you have to click on storage and cache, and you have to clear cache and clear storage of your Snapchat app. And after doing this, you have to go back and log in again and check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to open an internet browser, and here you need to search Snapchat support. So guys, after this you have to click on Snapchat support official website, and now you have to scroll it below, click on contact us, and from here you have to click on I think my account was compromised. Select this one, and now you have to scroll it down. Here you need to write username of your Snapchat account. For example, my username is this. Below you have to enter your email address, and right here your phone number, and here you need to write an appeal to get back your account. So guys, now I am going to paste here appeal. You can get this appeal in this video description. Go ahead and copy this appeal and paste here. And guys, simply you have to change your username and email address here, as you can see. So guys, after writing this appeal, you have to scroll it down and submit your appeal. Within few seconds they will review your appeal and they will fix your problem. So guys, this is the possible way to fix this problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.